POC Network here with another unboxing, this time once again coming from the company Anker. This is their Flare wireless Bluetooth speaker from their Soundcore line of products. And we're going to pop this box open and see what it looks like on the inside before you go to the website to see what we have to say about it later on. First thing you come to when you open it is a black container here with some instructionals and accessories. You have a nice thick manual on how to use the Bluetooth speaker in multiple different languages with some warnings and information. You have your typical happy or not happy feedback card so you can reach out to them in case you have any feedback for them. You have a micro USB to USB cable for charging the speaker with. And finally, you have the speaker. The speaker itself has a nice kind of cloth mesh design to it, going all the way around it. This is a 360-degree speaker, similar to a number of the ones you'll see on the market, including many that we've covered in the past. You have their logo on one side, and on the other side you have a couple buttons, as well as a little flap here for some inputs. You have a micro USB, as mentioned, that was for this cable right here for charging the speaker with, and you have a 3.5 auxiliary input right here for any kind of wired devices that don't feature support for wireless. So that way you can use this for wired and Bluetooth. You have a nice rubber coating on the bottom, which is nice. That's going to keep it from sliding around at all. That's actually pretty decent. So if this has a lot of bass to it, it's not going to go, sliding around your cabinets or anything. The buttons right here, it looks like you have a Bluetooth connectivity button and the power. Those are the two buttons that are on the side there. That's it, so just turning it on and triggering Bluetooth mode or switching maybe between Bluetooth and 3.5. On the top you have 4 buttons. You have volume down and volume up. You have a play button. You have what looks like a button for lighting or release effects. You can change the style of effects. Obviously, as you can see here, the speaker itself has different light up abilities. So that's going to be for triggering that. So you got volume up, volume down, you got that. You have a bass up option right here just to crank the bass with. And again, that play button in the middle to control playback of the music that's on there, in case you need to play or pause. And that's it. This is, again, the Flare Bluetooth wireless speaker by Anker. This is part of their Soundcore family of products. And you can catch it online at POCnetwork.net. That's POCnetwork.net, where we'll have a full review on this later on, telling you what we think about it, including what we like and what we don't like. So check it out at POCnetwork.net a little bit later on once we've done the review, benchmarked it a little bit so we can get an opinion put together for you. And if you liked what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below. There is a button if you want to follow us. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.